God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nations great and strong. It was we are in a preparation towards the election. Now BBI come. Yeah, what to my one is now. I not Bema TV. Subscribe to YouTube channel like and share video for me also on sa ebetimi. I can only get a coso. I will my Ghana. I was now Ghana flag is saying yeah, Kotoba, yeah, one is now social media no and send me a busu ego. No, I can say, I said, yeah, prepare towards the election. Now, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia didn't send me about the Montana. Why I did use the way I'm on Nina and say, well, friend delegate, only delegate in Asia. Now, the money you won't walk a crowd and say, I feel the also baby Obama, AAB, Barack Obama, AAB, or Trifon and no friend, or Trifon and no friend, surprise, or Trifon and no friend. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And so no IEB. Yeah, only delegating a bit share no, and then your jealous and we or Tuaba, and yeah, or Trifona. Hello, Bracojo, a surprise. This is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I'm calling to ask you, say, I'm watching now, Kotuaba, from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and your Trifona, and your credited. You was saying, oh, Flowy, no, every sit down. Now, the question is, yes, sir, yeah, Kotuaba, and Omoyasa, and answer after election. They will still do that. And I'm Crawford Tiasia. I'm a Shabbat now, a baby bobo. My person room in a kosher video at the Ebba Essence Elma. And the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, or from no strong, so moment to Abano Famano, no Nibi Casano, and then some are capable at the atre delegating. Your kosher video and from that shop, video, a video tiawa, and kosher quick. Na yamfa yamkoma twetwe ho bia na yamfa entoso emfa ema medi edi oduman ko na kofi akosa betumi from konkonsa hene na kofi yamfa mresi.
Yes, I'm just surprising you with the call this afternoon. This is Dr. Bawumia. Yes, Bismarck, it's me. yes, you know, just to tell you that I appreciate your support, and I hope on Saturday you will go and get it done for us. Absolutely. You're most welcome. Fantastic. Amen. I believe so too. Thank you very much, Bismarck. Keep up the fire, Benny, okay? And let's get it done on Saturday. Get there early and vote. Okay. All right. Amen. Thank you so much. Okay. You're most welcome. Take care. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. Where should I go? Yeah, you need the same thing. Set to go. Hello. Good afternoon. Yes, Bismarck. How are you? I decided to surprise you with a call today. This is Dr. Bawumia calling. So I want to ask you to support me on Saturday. Yeah. Yes. So I hope I can count on your support. Thank you. You know, so I really appreciate it. God bless you. So make sure you get there early and let us make. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. All right. It's good. Very good.
It is possible.
No doubt. No doubt.
Inshallah.
Yes.
It is happening.
Yes. Wonderful.
It's not just possible, it is happening. Taste means oh my God.
Hello. Francis, how are you? This is Dr. Bawumia calling. Yes, it's me. I wanted to surprise you today. Yes. You know, so, yeah, that's right, it's me. So, yeah, basically, we are heading to the vote on Saturday, and I just wanted to call and encourage you that we should get there and get it done. I want to count on your support on Saturday. Okay? I'm not taking it for granted. So I'm calling you to ask you to get there and vote on Saturday. Okay? Yes. Yes. Amen. 100%. I love that. Well done. Well done. You want me to talk to your friend? Okay. Okay, put your friend there. Otherwise, he won't believe you if you say I called. What's his name? What's his name? He's okay. Hello. Hello. Nah, Tidabai.
Nah.
Alhamdulillah, Tupana. So, don't wanna. Angela delegate. So, don't wanna. Pangmama. Saturday, Kabutu Tura, how memo. I'm poor Pam Kapai. Now, the Abarkano. So, thank you so much. Later, I will. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. All right. Bye. Thank you very, very much. Amen, President. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right. Bye.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's possible.
All right, so this is from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the Ghana Vice President. Bama Obosi Kamana. We of course no ya and Grofan Tiasi, Sida. And we know Nipa or ye Nipa or ye be a cassette. We are my young year, Barack Obama, the time one, all Fred, the people of America, as long so on to Abano, Emma, one aspirant in the Bibia and come and you to Fabian Sakaran. Na Barack Obama called me. I'm calling to check up on you. Please vote for this guy. This there you go. Come on. Yamemu Ghana. ABSC. Enya woma. ABSC. Ya kotoa benti no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia at your phone. Eddie Efre from. I'm not comfort to say. I'm cardi we Kenya. Ya kotoa benti nke wasa yesa. Nemu ke wasa moye eto so na say. Se munye o man mu a na mo frefre. Na say munye mo ni bia na say bibia ade dini anasa say. All person who did Ayana and Pempe Motocoso Ayasan. I drop a comment in the comment section about who is going to win. Predicted me. Now, also, we have a lot of gifts to offer you. Not be behind come and fat Emma. What are you going to come here? I say, it's your young one in children. Young one pie and fat Emma on my Ghana. Young one pie and fat on my Ghana. I was also never go for Juma, Edo Juma. We are delegate here, and I said, Coco Twaba, my friend. You bedi nkunim na obeti ekuta Ghana eyi na bibia kama emfa emai asere piesi enko emfa ma ebuso me soro so na me kai so na bema edrum se wunya enyi bia me sero bra na wo ndu wo yoba na otinka e wo foma na bema mu odru na bibia kama me pacho won so ntimi eni oba entimi enhyada enda wo ho odin e wo foma sisimu ayemre me pacho ebisi ya mama ebisi wo sisimu nkomo na enwa akofom ni ade a ni na bema e wo ne dro de bema ho na oho etimi ato na bibia kama say ya kwa akoto be won so osisimu ya wo ya ntimi na ntekra wo chitwetwon bibia enkoyi emfama but na be ma so na on ma wo eduro na wonom ya friend on the ho a and wonom ya the patro wo ye be ma na wontimi o banda on the ho a tokuro ni mu na kona ni mu ho na ho a na wo di ehhehia se bibia na ya kama oba nso enka ewo na be ma eduro wo di stroke also diabetes me se na be ma yare bia wotimi sa agye de ye twere kwata achacha ene emfura dia ka bia no obe ye ede ama osan tano konfo a ode bible bible no konfo de hwehwe nsem de ato abramo ma wonte ase na be ma ebe hwehwem ede ama ewusu me sore so ode akunu ya na oba akofo entena so ente na wakoye meni no minkuta wa mintimi ehuna de enchene me yufrim nso a menkwam enye de enti ase PC enko emfama wonso. God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nations great and strong. I was my wish me do ba happy birthday. Ata sewa mercy. Abaya kama on say your description no fe dey dia wo no. Na fortunately omo ye ntafo oba ba ko. Na say ye ma me no dia kan ma Eugene ba ko. So no ajem de be ma no ma Eugene sa na bi dia kama. Be ma no cross so ba na ho fe. Ata yankopon enhira ata abena ene ata akwabena na me enhira mu na on mama wo dey enye from emfa emamo ewade enhira mu nkozi mu be enhira na on ma mu enhira endoso me mu de me nka na kura ya me enhira mu ate ho fe mu se me do e wo se me din ade oduma ko na no ko be abakosa me to me from kon kon sang in the coffee background